Hey everyone, this is Abhishek from Gleev Motors. I hope you are doing well. So I just wanted to give you a quick update that what's going at Gleev. I know many of you have pre-booked protos and are eagerly waiting for the deliveries. But there are a few things that we are doing at Gleev. We want to give you the best possible product. So what we are doing currently is we are upgrading some of the hardware on protos. So we already know that Protos is way ahead of its competition in the Indian market, but still we want to give you a further improved product. So that's why we are working on improving some of the hardware. There won't be any cosmetic changes, but yes, we are doing some changes in the hardware. Plus we will be introducing some accessories for it, maybe an anti-theft alarm, because many of you are have said that no, it's not safe in India to keep these scooters outside. So what we are going to give you an option that you can install anti-theft alarm if you want. So that will be available. And then there is another good news that I want to share with you, that we are launching 2 or 3 more models. So out of which one is going to be a electric kick scooter only, but that will be a bigger scooter and it will have a 10-inch tire, a bigger battery. I can't reveal the full details as of now, but I am sure you are going to like it. It is going to be elder brother of Protos, now I can say that. So that is going to be there, and there are another I think 2 models that we are going to bring in. But testing on these products is going on. So what we want is that before we start delivering protos, we want to launch these products so that the customers that have already booked protos, they get a chance to look at these new products, and if it suits their need, they can upgrade to that. So that is another reason the delay is happening. And the thing with manufacturing is that even if there is slight change, it takes a lot of time. It's not like a software where you can do a small change in coding and the product changes. Here what we need to do, from drawing board, then going to prototyping, then doing testing, then going to mass production. So it takes time. So that's the reason it is taking a bit more than expected time. But I am sure when you will get the product, you will like it and love it. So that's all from my side. So just bear with us for some more time. Most probably by January end, we'll start delivering protos, and by then we also have going to have like 3 newer models. So you can choose from that also, and also a few more accessories will be available that you can add to protos. So that's all update from my side. I thought I should explain it myself to you. We can't keep you in dark. So just Gleev is going to be a company that delivers the best possible product, and we do a lot of R&D before introducing a product in the market. So please bear with us for some more time. And if you are from Delhi NCR and want to take a test ride, demo scooters are available with us, so you can contact us on WhatsApp. And if you want to pre-book the scooter, you can go to our website gleevmotors.com and you can book the scooter from there. And we will give you the option to upgrade to other models also, even if you are booking protos. So that's one benefit we are going to give to the existing people who have booked protos. So thanks for watching this and stay connected. Thank you.